Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Microsoft Word is not opening, responding, or starting, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So press the Windows key and the R key together and type the word WinWord space forward slash safe and hit enter. This will open Windows Microsoft Word in the safe mode. Click on File, select Options, go to Add-ins, select COM add-ins, click on Go. If you find any add-ins here, select them and remove them. Then close Word and then search for it and then open it again. Okay, this is how you can open Word. This will fix the problem in like 90% of the cases because this is the root cause of the problem. Now, other than this, here's what you have to do. You have to reset Microsoft Office, not Word, but Microsoft Office itself, because you cannot reset Microsoft Word. So, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select Installed Apps. Now scroll down till you find Microsoft Office or any other related version. I have the Microsoft Office Home and Student version, so I'll click on this and then I'll select Modify. It will ask for two repair options. I'll select Online Repair and then I'll click on Repair. You have to click on the blue button Repair to repair it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.